Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on Motorola Moto G67. So first go into the settings, then find battery settings and battery saver. Here, enable the battery saver. I won't be doing it because it enables automatically some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then go back and into the display settings, enable adaptive brightness and dark theme, then in-screen timeout shorten this time to around 1 minute. You can also in Personalize change the background here, home screen, to just plain one black color, for example. Remember to not use the animatic backgrounds. Then scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not using and close the background apps. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.